When it comes to working online, we need to really understand what it is that technology does so that we can use it to its best benefit. We can use technology to simply substitute a human teacher. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get the learners to watch a video, and there will be no interaction. And all we're doing really is taking a video of a person and we are substituting the person with the video. We can also use technology to augment the learning. When we do this, we are adding in some way. So for example, when a teacher uses a video in class, she's using technology to augment the learning. And then we can use technology to modify education. This means that when we're online, it's not just about the teacher talking to the learners as if they were in class, but also using technology to do things like watch simulations, participate in a whiteboard activity, work with the video. All of this modifies the way in which education takes place. And then finally, as part of the SAMR model, we have a redefinition of technology. Now, I must be honest and say that I'm not completely convinced that we can really redefine education. We are still some way away from that. So for me, it's really about how we can modify education using technology effectively. But the key thing that the TPACK model brings to mind is the fact that we cannot use technology in isolation or technology with either pedagogy or content. Because if we just use technology in pedagogy, we're going to have really exciting teaching, but it's completely disconnected from the content that we want to be able to talk about. Then we could go for technology plus content, and that's going to be very modern, but it's going to be limited because we're not going to be using really effective pedagogical tools and skills to make sure that the learning takes place. So what we want to do then is work right here, where technology, pedagogy, and content meet. And this is where TPACK talks about the sweet spot.